Are you planning a trip to Teluk Bahang just for the sun, the beach, or maybe the water activities of batik-making? Yet we've often overlooked on these abundant natural treasures. This time, I'll guide you on an amazing tour of nature's natural wonders. You can think of Entopia as an indoor forest, but what sets it apart is the presence of many flying flowers. Butterflies. Thousands of butterflies call this massive glass structure home. Here you can get up close and personal with a variety of stunning insects, and you can learn about them more than what's in textbooks.
This one right here is a giant forest scorpion. Okay, as you can see right now, the scorpion, you can see it like how it's big blue. Don't worry. So on their body, there's a fluorescent chemical, so it can glow under moonlight, also under UV light.
But if you thought it was only insects, you'd be mistaken. There are lots of lizards like this and snakes here too.
So this is our leopard gecko.
Hello.
And he's actually quite old, 10 years old already. Because you see at the tail are very, very fat because they store all the fat at the tail. Say example, one day they got missing somewhere, there's no food, they can use all the energy from the tail and then, survive.
So this is our oriental water dragon teeth. This is one of the trickiest animal we have in Entopia. We have quite a lot, but then it will escape every single time.
Welcome to this Vita Nova activity. Never heard this word before, right? It's okay, you learn a new word today. Vita Nova comes from Latin. It means new life. Because later on, we are going to release newly emerged butterfly into this garden. Get your camera ready for this magical moment. Release!
An in-depth tour also involves appreciating cultural industry. I've heard that not only do you get to visit this place, but you get to have hands-on experience as well. I'm really excited for this part. Let's go. Craft Batik is one of the pioneers of the batik factory on the island. The batiks produced here has created an icon of Malaysia and an exclusive Malaysian identity.
This is how we make batik. We use the cotton material. Then we have the printing block. So this is dipped into the molten wax and printed onto the cloth block by block to form the design. The material will be dipped into a dye solution. Wax part will not take the color, exposed part takes the color.
After hearing so much, I'm eager to experience this traditional craft firsthand. Let's see how high my artistic talents can soar. In Malaysian cuisine, spices are used to elevate the flavors of dishes to another level. And Tropical Spice Garden is the perfect place for us to explore all that. As we stroll along the pathways, we can see various spice plants while listening to the sounds of birds and insects. When we get tired, we can go up there to enjoy a special cup of herbal tea. You might ask, what's so special about soaking your feet in the stream? Take a closer look. It's actually fish doctors giving me a treatment. My favorite part is this platform. Surrounded by lush greenery with a faint scent of spices wafting through the air, it's incredibly relaxing.
We have plants all over here. When it flowers, it actually have perfume that most of them is actually used in modern perfumery. This is actually the ylang-ylang flower. The ylang-ylang flower is actually the secret ingredient used in the Chanel 5 perfume.
During our journey, I can't help but feel that something was missing. For my breakfast today, I have a hot cup of honey lemon and enjoy a refreshing nutmeg juice drink. Cheers to the day in Penang! I know what it is. I've only had one drink so far. Let's go. I know a great spot. This is Farm Waterfall, formed by layers of rocks. Enjoying a cup of coffee here in this environment filled with negative ions, it's a perfect way to relax. So when did Frandy Beach Bar first open?
Until now, it's around 7 years already.
7 years?
Yeah, 7 years.
And what's the reason behind opening this place?
One of my friends, I know him, this is the place, then asked me, hey, Frandy, you come now, you can do something like special. But before already have, I think, 2 or 3 people already open here, but no business.
No business.
I say, don't want lah. They say, you try, you can. Then maybe I try that. Then
In 7 years, now you're here.
then until now.
That's cool. Could you share us a little bit about the dishes here?
Okay, this is our now more famous one. It's a big head prawn. It's a grilled big head prawn and the crab. Yeah.
And this one?
This one is a grilled fish.
Grilled fish. And this is lady fingers on top,
Yeah, lady
right?
finger inside have a bit of veggie.
Wow, all this looks so good. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
With the beautiful sunset, the sea breeze in our hair, and our Penang famous satay, I should sleep really well tonight. We'll see you next time. Bye!